This is Carpintero's third time ever using the reverse round pen, and I'm not using a target stick this time. He really wants to have a roll, but I'm actually quite pleased that he resists the impulse to roll and continues.
Change the plan? Okay. Yep. Well, you will get in a muddle if you roll there. Come on, Carpintero. Come on, puppy.
I'm pleased he's walking calmly here.
Very, very calm today. Very, very calm.
I'm standing for very short periods next to him in default position before walking on again to reduce the opportunity to drop.
Walk with me. Okay, let's go quicker. Wow. Carpintero, you want to walk with me? Let's finish. Yeah, let's go quicker. Uh-oh. Wow, you did well then. Desperate for a roll, aren't you? Hey, you're doing very well, actually.
He showed signs earlier that he wanted to roll, but he was very good and resisted the temptation. But now I think it's time to let him have his roll.
You all done now? Lovely. Walk with me.
I've seen that Mr. Grumpy Face is back, but I'm choosing to ignore it.
Yeah, let's go. And slowly. Slowly. Wow. That is such a big stone you keep kicking. Shouldn't be there, should it? Let me do a little standing beside you.
I decided not to touch him in this session when I do the default position.
Let's go back in. Nice. Let's go a bit quicker. Can we trot? I thought we probably could. Can we go slowly? Wow. Amazing. Clever horse. Maybe we should throw that round the other way. What do you think? Can we do that? Come on then. Let's just go. Okay, let's go quicker. Can we go slowly? Slowly. Well done. Well done.
I lost count how many times I did the default position in this session, which lasted 17 minutes in total, but he didn't drop once.
Can you come with me? Do we walk, Carpenter?
He gets a little bit snarky here when I ask him to come with me.
Can we go slowly and just walk? Really good.